Hello and welcome to my video today. I have a new product in from EVBase. I have a new set of wheel covers. It's been quite a while since I've changed the wheel covers for my Model 3. So I'm gonna be unboxing and installing today. So let's get started. Here we have the box. Let's open it up and check it out. The covers are individually stored in bubble wrap, and then they also have a foam protection sheet on the top surface. And here's what it looks like. So this is a two-tone finish. We have black around the inside edge here and also the center cap area. You can install a Tesla emblem in this area with double-sided tape, and there should be a set of 4 of these in the box. The rest of it has a shiny silver finish. As you can see, it looks very metallic, very nice. Look on the reverse. We have a styrofoam cap over the clip, and just like most of the wheel covers, they have a spring-loaded center section here that attaches to the hub area, and then there's a number of clips all around the spokes, and those attach and keep it in place. I haven't had any problems with these type of covers. I've had some installed for years on my car. Since my Model 3 just turned 8 years old, I've had quite a few different models of covers over the time. None of them have fell off due to lack of sufficient clips holding them in place. Let's see what else we have in the box. We have a Ziploc bag with some tape that goes around the edges. This is something that the covers need to have installed to prevent damage to the wheels themselves, or at least reduce the chance of damage. So I'll show you how these work in a little bit. And as I mentioned, the emblems we have here, these are just black. I have some other ones that could be installed. Some of them, like this, just don't have a Tesla logo at all. You can get some with the Tesla logo, or you can also use vinyl stickers to attach on here if you want multiple colors. So lots of different options with that. I recommend using a pair of scissors to cut the foam tape when you get it all around the outside. So what we're going to do is take the foam tape and remove that paper backing. So once we have that rolled back, we can attach that to the edge of the wheel cover. We're going to be going right up to the edge with that foam tape. When you get to the point where you started, just take the scissors and trim it. And then there you go. You have the foam that goes all around the outside edge. So this gives protection from the cover rubbing onto the wheels themselves. Now that this is done, do this for all 4 of the wheel covers, then you can install them on the car. So here is the center cap I'm going to be using. It's just the logo in black. You can get these in different colors. Previously I've used some with a red or white Tesla emblem, but I'm going to go for the black embossed ones. They look pretty cool. So just peel back the red protective plastic on the back, and then insert it into the center and press it down. Then you can peel the protective plastic off of the top, and there we go. So if you have existing covers on the wheels, remove them. I do recommend cleaning the wheels before you install the new covers. You want to remove any debris that's going to be between those new covers and the actual wheel. By the way, the design of these new covers is inspired by the new updated Model Y Helix wheels. So this is the latest design from EVBase. I'm going to be installing these on my Model 3, so let's get a little bit closer to have a better look. The first thing you want to do is match up the valve opening, the little circular indent right here, to the actual valve on the wheel. So once you have those lined up, you can place it over it, make sure it's centered, and then you can start snapping it in. So just go around all the spokes and press all the clips in. Just go around, make sure all of the spokes are inserted, and when you're done, it should be flat all around the outer edge. Here's a close-up of what I mean. And one nice thing about these covers is they can protect the wheel. So if you do have some curb rash on your existing alloy wheels, this will cover them. And if you do get these damaged, you can always replace the covers. They're a lot easier to replace than the wheels themselves. All right, so that's it. So just do this for the other 3 wheels and you're all set. If you ever need to remove the covers to do any cleaning, what you need to do is on the spokes, there are clips all around the edges, and you need to pull up on those clips and loosen them up, and do that all around the outside. And eventually, when you get enough of the clips loosened, you can pull from the center and the whole thing will pop off. All right, it's a little tight, but you have to get several of those clips off and then pull on the center, and that will release it, since that spring is holding it in place pretty well. When you're ready to reinstall, just do the same thing, line it up, center it over that, and then push it in. And then we're all set. According to the manufacturer, the efficiency of these covers is comparable to the original Tesla era covers. I haven't done any testing on them, but I will do that for a future video. I plan to do with no wheel covers, the new EVBase covers, and also with the Tesla OEM era covers. But in my experience, there hasn't been much of a difference between the various covers that I've used on my car over the years. The efficiency is pretty comparable between them. You will see a few % increase in efficiency compared to just the bare wheels. Well, that about does it for the video today. I hope you got a good idea of how the EVBase wheel covers work on the 2018 Model 3. These are designed for the pre-refresh models, so that's 2017 through 2021. If you have Highland Model 3, there are options for those. And if you happen to have a Model Y, there are 19-inch versions of wheel covers as well. If you're interested in purchasing these or any of the other EVBase wheel covers, I have a link in the video description. Don't forget to use code RANGER for a discount. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.